Hey, so we're here for a special occasion. Today we're here to give something called the Elevate Award. And so the Elevate Award is a very special award that we created. We've given out 3 of these to Vail Health employees. This would be the 4th one that we give. These are nominated by people in our community and patients that have come here to receive care. And the Elevate Award really recognizes employees that go absolutely above and beyond in the care they give. They're not just sympathetic, but they're empathetic. They see the situation that our patients are in and they meet them there, and they are vulnerable and loving and kind to a different level. For this quarter, we had 98 nominations of Vail Health employees for the Elevate Award. A friend of ours, Gregory Strine, and his mom is here, Lisa, here from Ohio. Gregory was out in the mountains, loves the mountains, has gone back home to Ohio, but he couldn't help it. He's back here now. He works down in Color Coffee. If you've ever had any of their amazing pastries or their coffees, he's been busy bagging beans for quite a few months. But he's up and around now, and he's going to be baking again. And so we invited Gregory here to share his nomination of the employee that he nominated. Gregory?
All right, so I wrote this submission shortly after my second surgery when I was in patient care, so everything was super fresh. But on Thanksgiving, I had a pretty bad ski accident at Vail. We're at a level 6 tibial plateau fracture. I'd only been out 6 days at this point, so it was pretty early and devastating for me, especially with how excited I was for the season. The pain was like nothing I've ever experienced before. And instead of eating Thanksgiving dinner, I was getting an external fixator put in my leg. Yeah, it was a dark night with a lot of crying, pain, and sadness. The surgery went well, and upon being rolled into patient care, my external fixator incision was already bleeding down my leg. And this is where Allie came to the picture. She immediately brought such a calm, comforting presence. Throughout the night, Allie took time to gently clean my bloody quad with a warm compress and change my dressings over and over again. The whole time she was just talking with me, comforting me, and just generally making me feel at ease and like everything would be okay. I didn't realize how sad and lonely I had felt before, but her gentleness and eagerness to get my mind off of everything that happened helped calm me down so much. This was one of the worst nights of my life, and she made it seem not too bad. I told her about how bummed I was about my Thanksgiving dinner, and she went out of her way to get me some desserts from the potluck that they had. At the end of the day, Allie just did an amazing job paying attention to all the little things, which can make such a big difference. I feel incredibly grateful to live near these amazing facilities and people. So I'd like to thank both Allie and the rest of the Vail Health staff for providing me such a great care and for a really tough experience and time in my life.
Oh my God.
A special badge for you as an award winner.
Thank you so much.
And this is a quote that really signifies that you've gotten an award. And
Oh my God.
There's only been given 4 so far at Vail Health, so you're one of the 4 who's gotten this award, and we're really proud to have you on our team.
Thank you.
These are fat-free, sugar-free donuts.
He talks so much about you.
And I'm a nurse myself.
Oh, yeah.
And so I've got high standards.
Yeah.
And I couldn't be out there till the next day.
Yeah.
And so you did what
Yeah.
I would have done as his mom.
Yeah.
And maybe a nurse, I don't know. But thank you so much. And the care at this hospital was outstanding from everybody. So thank you all. Taking care of my boys.